Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. Today we're comparing two of the most talked about photo apps, the YouCam Perfect and VSCO. If you're building your finance brand online, posting sharp LinkedIn photos, or upgrading your Instagram game, which one should you pick? Let's find out. When it comes to ease of use, YouCam Perfect is simple and has one-tap edit, while VSCO is smooth, but editing sliders need practice. When we look at the AI tools, YouCam Perfect has auto retouch and background removal, while VSCO has creative presets and film-like filters. When we look at their price, YouCam Perfect has a free plan plus budget premium plan, while VSCO has a free plan, but the premium plan is pricier. When we look at who they're best for or what they're best for, YouCam Perfect is best for quick selfies, professional profile pics, while VSCO is best for aesthetic storytelling and curated financial reports. When we look at their speed, YouCam Perfect is best for fast and automatic, while VSCO is slower but has more artistic control. Lastly, output style. YouCam Perfect is polished, clean, and professional, while VSCO's output is cinematic, moody, and creative. So what are we saying? YouCam Perfect is all about speed and polish. It's great for professionals who need clean profile photos or simple branding shots, while VSCO leans into creativity, offering film-style filters and moody tones. Perfect if you want your finance post to stand out with a unique vibe. So if you want quick, polished edits, go YouCam Perfect. But if you want artsy, story-driven vibes, go for VSCO. Which team are you on? Drop it in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more smart comparisons right here at Twoguysfinance. See you.